It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, and today we are solving two-step equations. Our goal here is to isolate variable x, and we do that by moving through the order of operations, which we often refer to as PEMDAS. As a reminder, when we are solving equations, we work PEMDAS backwards. We start with any addition or subtraction, any multiplication and division, and then we do exponents and parentheses separately. All right, I like to start when I'm solving equations by dividing my equation into two sides because in math, what we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other. So our goal is to get x by itself, but first we have to get this term, 1/3 x by itself. So to do that, we are going to follow order of operations and deal with any addition or subtraction that we see. So I'm noticing that right here I have a plus 5. That is being added to my 1/3 x term. So we're going to move it to the other side. So our goal is to make this plus 5 become a 0. So we do that by doing the inverse operation, which is subtracting 5. In math, what we do to one side, we do to the other. So I'm subtracting 5 from both sides. That leaves me with 1/3 x on this side equals 14 minus 5, which is 9. I always tell students to do a quick check. When we do our inverse operation correctly, we should get a value of 0. So does 5 minus 5 equal 0? It does, so we did that correctly. All right, now we have to look at trying to get this x by itself, and I'm noticing that I have a fraction multiplied by x. I have 1/3 times x. So that's where we are going to do our multiplication and division step in PEMDAS. Now, I could divide both sides by 1/3. That would be absolutely correct. I find sometimes that when we do that, the fractions kind of trip us up a little bit. So I prefer to multiply fractions by their reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3. You get the same result as dividing by a fraction. So I'm going to multiply 1/3 by 3 over 1. If I do that to one side, I do it to the other. So here's why we get the same result. 3 times 1, we're multiplying straight across, is 3. 1 times 3 is 3 times x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. That should always happen when we're doing the inverse operation. Okay, so we have x on this side, and now I have a secret 1 here. 9 times 3 is 27. 1 times 1 is 1. We really never write our answers in math with a 1 underneath them, so we end up with x equals 27. All right, our last step is to check our answer. Everywhere I see x, I'm going to put in 27. Okay, so here we go. I'm putting in 27. 1/3 times 27, or 1/3 of 27, is 9 plus 5, and that in fact equals 14. We solved this two-step equation correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like it so other people see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, remember, you've got this.